Njengoba iminikelo iqhubeka ingena sekunetinhlelo ukuthi leti student tibuyele enyuvesi. Department latibonga kakhulu labo labaphosela iJC Vivaneni.
There will be buses collecting them from residences, from the hotels tomorrow after breakfast to take them to the residences. The residents of Smuts and Fuller Hall will be taken to campus so that they can take their belongings, and then we're going to accommodate them in alternative accommodation that will tell them tomorrow where it's at. The idea is that the students settle in from tomorrow until Sunday so that Monday we start with the academic program.
Neti student tibonga ticetsi kepha letinye tikhatsatekile ngekuthi tilahlekelwe isikhathi sekufundza.
I think the biggest needs and concerns of students at this point is getting back to the academic program. And so one of the things that we really need now is stationery. So we need to make a call now for stationery. This is textbooks and also linen and then laptops. We need that.
Right now, my biggest worry is the people in Smuts and Fuller. I personally lived at Tugwell Hall, so nothing was affected as far as I've heard. But we have heard that at Smuts and at Fuller, it was burnt down, the roof was burnt, there were some rooms that were burnt down.
Eyona nto mna endiqonda uba indiphatha kanzima about this ngayo yonke lento kukuba sisafanele sicinge ngezikolo nencwadi zethu but sisadilisha nalento esihlukumeza engqondweni nezinhliziyweni because sibona abantu bescreama bebaleka and running bebaleka from umlilo. It was ibisoyikisa kuthi.
Professor Phakeng ucele ukuthi tingakhathateki ti-student ngoba kutawunaka ukuthi simo siphocelele ukuthi tisuswe kulesikhungo nakwenziwa tinhlelo tekubhala.
The faculties will let them know how the test is going to unfold. Obviously, we can't just move the test that we're going to be written this week to next week because the venues are taken. So the faculties will arrange that.
Phakeng uthi angeke sinetshwe isikhathi sale kota yeminyaka kepha emagala lahlukene atawufuna indlela tekuvala isikhathi lesilahlekile.